If there's a poor boy on the street, then let him take my seat. 'Cause tonight I'll be saving you.
Well, the crops are all in and the peaches are rotten. The oranges piled in the creosote dust. Flying back to that Mexican living